Hey y'all, so I always wanted a spooky coffee bar area, and I'm so excited to share with y'all how it turned out and kind of the process of it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. My fiance and I bought this house. It's been about 2.5 years, and we're coming up on 3 years, which is so crazy. I'm finally getting around to getting things decorated, and there's been a lot of moving things around, and I'm definitely the type of person where I got to move things around 5 or 6 times in order for me to feel like it's in the correct spot and I could just, feel comfy. I don't know if you guys are the same way or not. Let me know if you are down below. Matt is definitely not that way. You can put something somewhere once and be totally fine, but with me, I'm definitely a rearranger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and there will be a little reveal in how it turned out at the end of the video.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way.